I'm using this big pot, y'all. I'm cooking for my whole family, so you know the vibe. Oh, peace. What's up, guys? It's your girl NK period, and I'm back again with another video. So y'all see where I'm at? I'm in my kitchen. So that means we shooting something a little different today. Today I'm gonna show y'all how I make Nigerian coconut rice. This is not a tutorial because I can't give you the exact measurements. As a Nigerian, we eyeball everything. So we just go with the flow. Over here, I got a couple ingredients already chopped up. We got our coconut milk. So let me tell y'all what we working with. We working with red bell pepper, garlic, ginger, green bell pepper, red onions, and habanero peppers. And we got tomatoes. We got some shrimp here as well that we are going to be using, along with some parts of turkey leg. It's important that you guys soak your meat whenever you get it from the butcher or whatever in salt water to like get any like remaining like blood out and like stuff like that. So yeah, let's get into the video. Yo, so this has actually been sitting in salt water for like 40 minutes. And so you can see all the blood that came out of it. I'm actually going to rinse this out one more time and then start seasoning and boiling it. Decided to cut the pieces smaller and take it off the bone too. So we're gonna do that. Curry, not too much because this is just our boiler water. Not too much. Garlic powder. This is not parsley, y'all. It's some random spice that we have in here. Yeah. Add a little bit of Italian seasoning. We're gonna add some salt to this time. Not too much salt because turkey tends to be a kind of meat that already really has salt in it. And we're gonna add 2 Maggi cubes, y'all. 2 Maggi cubes. Or as American people call it bouillon or nor. Whatever you call it. I'm gonna crush it up. Put it all in there.
Mommy, I didn't repeat that one. I didn't repeat what
It's not, Mom, it's not your turn in this kitchen, though. I'm gonna grab a few of these onions on this plate, y'all, and add it to our meat water. That's just to give it a little flavor. Not too much though, because we're gonna use the rest of the onions for this like fry. Alright, y'all, so you're gonna need 4 tomatoes and a little blendy blend. Go ahead.
power?
Yeah.
Then hi.
Alright, y'all, so we're also gonna add some onions to that blend. So we really didn't need to chop these up. But we're gonna add onions to that. Go ahead, blend it for me.
You said no more tomatoes, right?
Should we do like 2 more? Do like 2 more, because it's a big pot of rice. Y'all, the rice is almost ready to be washed.
Put that in there like that. Make sure your hands are.
Alright, y'all, so we're gonna use this big pot for our concoction. Let's turn it on. Wrong stove. Alright, high heat. We're gonna go ahead and pour our tomato. Actually, we're not pouring the tomato mix in there first, guys. We actually have to fry our vegetables first. So we have to go get some oil. Going to get oil. Ooh. And like I said, in a Nigerian household, we eyeball everything. So, you know, there's no specific amount, but we gotta let the water go before we, you know, because you know there will be a reaction if you don't, you know. So we're going to eyeball it. This is actually a lot of rice, so we're gonna start with that. We might end up adding more, but we're gonna start with that. All right, Victoria, go ahead, add our red pepper. I mean, not our red pepper, our red onion. Don't be afraid of the pot. The pot is afraid of you. And that's on what? You were scared of the pot, sis.
We're throwing it in. Ooh.
So,
y'all gotta do the 2-step back.
go ahead and add the garlic too.
Okay, so this is the
And we're gonna let this cook for 3 minutes before we add the rest of our pink peppers. All right, let's check on our turkey. Yes, sir. It's getting cooked, y'all. This flavor is gonna be ridiculous. Now let me tell y'all, the reason why you have to add them at different times is because they cook at different speeds. And so the onion takes a little bit longer and the garlic takes a little bit longer, so it goes first. But while it's cooking, y'all, we basically add all the same seasonings that we added to the turkey. The rest of the seasoning for it, so go ahead, dump your other plate in. Yes, sir. Sorry. While I I thought my phone want to catch on fire. Alright guys, so I'm gonna add crayfish. It's in an animal crackers bottle because of course in an African household, what is actually in its right container? If you're American and you want to know what this is, just Google crayfish with a Y, not crawfish. And this has not been blended well. That's why I'm also using the seeds to put it in. Which y'all can see if you're in it, right? Yeah. And now it's time for us to add the shrimp. Now, am I going to take the shell off? Nah, that's up to the person that's eating it. It's none of my business. I'm gonna add all the shrimp. Alright, the meat is almost ready. It actually looks pretty ready. So we're gonna go ahead and add that shrimp. The reason why I don't have to wait for the shrimp to cook is that we already got it cooked, as y'all saw in the bag.
Yeah, cooked shrimp. We were thinking of buying raw shrimp, but we decided to just go with cooked shrimp because that's what we usually buy. But comment down below, cooked shrimp or raw shrimp.
What's going on over there? If the meat, I'm checking if the meat is cooked, y'all.
I was just checking if the meat is cooked.
Y'all, so this meat is actually done cooking, so we're going to add it to our stir fry over here. And the reason why I'm not just pouring it with the water, y'all, is because I don't know how much of this water I want to use yet. Alright, y'all, it's looking extra good. Now we're about to pour the tomato in here, and the coconut milk is coming soon, baby. Hold on. So she turned the heat up. All of this is cooked. Now we just have to pour our tomato sauce in there. So go ahead.
Ooh, homemade tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce and onion. And that's going to cook down real good, and y'all going to see it. Alright, so we're going to let this cook till it's bright red. Okay, so Victoria's going to add half of the meat water to here. Go ahead.
Yeah, smoky smell.
Did you light your hair on fire? This girl, Chiamaka, you want to light yourself on fire here. Yeah. This is why you can't have little kids in the kitchen. Come on. It's okay, girl.
I'm not going to do my hair for a long time, though.
Alright, pour half of it. A little bit more. Okay, that's good. After it's been cooking for about 15 minutes, we're going to add the coconut milk now. A whole can of Goya coconut milk. So y'all, I'm actually going to lower the heat to medium and let it cook for 5 more minutes. So now we add in some mixed vegetables, just half a bag. Alright y'all, since our half-boiled rice has been chilling on the side and this is basically almost ready, I might just give it like 3 more minutes. We're going to take this up here, turn it back on, and add this in here. So we're going to add all of this, y'all. Don't leave nothing behind. I'm going to scoop all that out. Alright, y'all, it's super important not to mix this stuff to the bottom, otherwise it will start burning. So I'm just creating holes in the rice where all the sauce can like get through and do its thing. And then you want to add more water based on the amount of rice you have in your pot. So I'm probably going to add a little bit more water to this pot so the rice can finish cooking the rest of the way. And then we'll be almost at our final destination. Yes, sir. Now we have to let it cook. So we're going to check back in like 15 minutes. So after it has cooked for 15 minutes, this is what it looks like. All the sauce has got in there. Now, just to be sure that it got to the bottom, you can see it's still kind of boiling at the bottom a little bit. I'm going to mix it now. We want to get everything. Alright, y'all, so this is the end of this video. This is how it turned out. Real nice and delicious. Yes, ma'am. Let me taste it. Yes, sir. Yo, the shrimp is all of it's A1. I can't even lie to you. I'm not even gassing my head up. Anywho, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you leave a like, a comment, follow my Instagram, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Bye.